Everyone. So, welcome to Kin Great Air Guns again. So, I'm going to just give you another feature that I'm thinking about, an idea that I'm proposing to DNT Optics. And that is that it can be for any rifle, to be honest, but specifically for them. Currently, I know they sell different mounts for different rifles, and you've got to take it off and mount it on the other one. There is talks, and I think that they're probably going through an R&D stage at the moment with a quick release mount for the DNT Optics. While this in this design stage, I have forwarded this idea to the DNT Optics team. The idea is that they have a mount that, regardless of what rifle you put it on, you don't need to change the mount due to the MOA difference. Now, how I propose this to work is on theodolites and tripods, they have a wheel. There's normally 3 of them to be able to balance it and level it. There was a knurled wheel, and on the top and the bottom, it had a thread. The threads were in a different rotation. So on the top thread, it might be right-handed thread, and on the bottom, it might have been a left-handed thread. Now, the purpose of that was, as you rotate it clockwise, for instance, the distance between the plate and the theodolite base, it would increase. And if you turned it anti-clockwise, it would lower. And because you've got 3, it enabled you to basically level that theodolite quite easily and quickly. My idea is that if they make a quick release base, and at the front of this base, it has a pivot point, a bit like a clapperboard. At the front, it has a tightly fitting locating pin or some method where the movement is minimal, but it does allow it to essentially lift like this. And then on the base, at the back, you have that rotational wheel with knurled numbers on, for instance, which indicate whether it's 0 MOA, whether it's 10, whether it's 20, or whether it's 30. By doing so, you then rotate that wheel, and then it will lift that up like so to 30 MOA, and it will lock it in place. And then you have your rifle set at that. Then if you then take it off, you release your mount, your quick release mounts, and then you put it on another rifle that requires it to be 0 MOA. Then all you do is you dial that back wheel down to 0 MOA. So the actual unit with your scope on stays the same. You don't have to keep swapping it between different mounts. You just literally release the quick release clamps, you put it on your new rifle, you dial the rear dial or wheel of your mount to the specific MOA value that you require for that particular rifle. You have the profile saved in your scope, and you essentially load it, put a round in the chamber, and pull the trigger and hit your target. Everything stays the same. That's it. So hopefully DNT will do something with it. I have sent it to them to hopefully add that as part of the feature of this new quick release mount that they're making. So we'll see if anything comes of it. But thanks very much, everyone, and safe shooting. And if you haven't already, come and join us at Kin Great Air Guns on Facebook as well. Cheers, everyone. Take care. Bye.